I hear from patients over and over again who aren't happy with their facial appearance, but they also don't know what to do about it. And they want the kind of dramatic results you get only from a facelift, but they also aren't certain that they want to wait a full month or more for the recovery. So if this sounds like you, a modified facelift may be just what you need. Modified facelift is a less invasive version of a standard facelift, and it can provide dramatic results with only a fraction of the downtime. So instead of needing 3 to 5 weeks for recovery, you may only need 1 week. With a modified facelift, there are no drainage tubes. There's less post-surgical pain, less scarring, lower risk of complications also. And for a lot of our patients, modified facelifts have really kind of filled the gap between the traditional facelifts on one hand and the non-surgical procedures like laser skin tightening and dermal fillers on the other. And they love the convenience and they love the results. So if you're interested in exploring our options to reduce wrinkles, sagging skin, and other signs of aging, I encourage you to give our office a call.